Hi, my name is John Kapp with Leviton Manufacturing Company, and today I want to discuss Leviton Occupancy Sensors. Leviton is a privately owned company. We've been around since 1906, so that's 107 years. Isidore Leviton started the company with a simple thing called a gas mantle, and then when Edison invented the light bulb, we end up going to the base being made for the incandescent bulb, and then that moved on from switches and receptacles, and with over 28,000 products. Okay, so in most cases in a standalone application where people are traditionally wanting to turn lights on and off when somebody enters a room and it turns off after they leave a room, they would use a variety of different types of sensors, and these sensors then have to be wired to a power pack like this. This is going to be your 120 or 277 volt. Then you have your 24 volts DC on this side here. This would be feeding to the low voltage wires the sensor would sense someone coming into a room, and then the contacts that are inside here would turn on or off the lights. But in this application, and this is more for your automation, building management type systems, Leviton doesn't require a power pack on this. This is actually coming from the control panel that's feeding this with 24 volts AC or DC. And then internally they have the isolated board for isolated relays on the inside that will once again have a closer contact that'll go back to the relay panel. There's also a delay time in here, and basically the delayed time is so that once a person would leave, we could have a 30-second test mode all the way up to 10, 20, and 30 minutes, so that after a person leaves occupancy of that room, then there'll be the time frame in there that will time out after up to 30 minutes. And then the other thing that is interesting is we also have an ambient light override. As more and more people and the customers, some of the big box stores are going to skylights, and it's beautiful free energy that we're getting, and people are putting in photo cells. So this actually has a built-in photo cell in here that you can set from various foot candle levels. So it could be like 60, 70, 80 foot candles. So if someone's in a room, you have sufficient light, the unit won't turn on. We are UL listed as compared to some of our competitors. We are also NAFTA compliant, and especially if you're involved with any government work. We meet the ASHRAE standard 90.1 requirements. For those on the West Coast, California Title 24. And then we also have a limited 5-year warranty, and once again from a company that's been in business 107 years.